All right, and then finally for the last one, we've got a dilution equation. So I have 100 milliliters of this very heavily concentrated hydrochloric acid. 5 molar is pretty intense, and I need to dilute that down to 1 molar. So I want to add more water so that there's less acid per amount of water. So I start off with 100 milliliters of 5.0 molar hydrochloric acid, but I need to get down to 1.0 molar hydrochloric acid. So how much water do I need to add to this in order to make it diluted? So our dilution equation, remember, is molarity 1 times volume 1 equals molarity 2 times volume 2. And if you were to look at this mathematically and rearrange it, you're basically just cross multiplying. So we got that equation, now we can plug in what we know. I'll try to keep that in view. So my original molarity, like we said, is very intense, 5.0. And my original volume is 100 milliliters. So you can convert this to liters or you can leave it in milliliters as long as the two volumes stay in the same unit. And I'm going to leave it in 100 milliliters. Equals, and we want to get down to a 1.0 molarity, and we have to figure out how much water we need to add. So 5 times 100 is 500. 1 times V is V. So I need to end up with a total of 500 milliliters, but I started with 100, and the question has in bold what volume of water should be added. So to get from 100 to 500, I need to add 400 milliliters of water. And that's our answer.